The US planned to nuke the moon in the late 1950s for the sake of the space race. And it might have actually taught us a lot. Project A119 was a way to show Russia those guns of freedom. But it would also have served as a way to literally shake up the moon, which would have taught us some information about the moon's interior composition. We would have better understood how craters are made and how the dust would spread out upon impact, which is surprisingly important for today's lunar missions. Carl Sagan was even a part of this team and calculated the dust cloud behavior. The US wanted to make sure that the Russians would see this explosion on the moon. But since there's no atmosphere, there wouldn't have been a mushroom cloud. Instead, they wanted to fire it on this thin slice between the light and dark parts, which would make the dust particles reflect the sun's rays strongly enough so that no one could miss it. Now, this plan never came to fruition, but would it have actually given us some important information or not? Well, it would have put us 10 to 15 years in the future in terms of information, but in all honesty, it would not have taught us much more than we knew a few years later. In fact, it would have actually hindered us from measuring the radiation dose on the lunar surface.